Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl J Ross back with another video. Wait, I can't start this video off regular. This is not a regular video. Scratch that. Start over. Hey everybody, welcome back to another day of Makeup by Tammy week. I am your hostess, whatever. Well, I can't say whatever. I'm your hostess, your girl, J Ross, back with another video. Thank you guys so much for coming back to Makeup by Tammi week, day 3. We are on day 3. Hopefully you guys have been enjoying days 1 and 2. And hopefully you guys have also been enjoying the content in general that I post. And if you haven't enjoyed it, it's because you're not subscribed. Because you haven't got the full, the full embrace of my presence. Is that what it is? As you guys can tell by the title down below, we are going to go back to the Tropical Paradise palette, which is Tammy's first collaboration with Revolution Beauty, Makeup Revolution. I swear, in the United States, they still call it Makeup Revolution, but they call it Revolution Beauty everywhere else. But anyways, so I'm going back to the Tropical Paradise palette. And if you guys remember from day 1 of Makeup by Tammi week, the first part, I recreated Tammy's reveal palette look, and I still can't get over the fact that she watched that video and commented on it. I still can't get over that. That was like, I'm not gonna cry. We're not gonna bring tears to my eyes again. We're not gonna do it. But today's look, I'm going to be recreating my first look of when I first was able to test out this Tropical Paradise palette. As soon as I saw it launch, I think I was ordering it, but because when I finally got it, I was going through surgery, recovering, everything like that. I wasn't able to jump straight in and review it, so I had to take some time, and then I was able to review it. And yeah, the look I created with that palette, I'm going to try to recreate it. Hopefully there has been some growth with my makeup game over the past 2 years, and let's see if we can make it better than what we did. So this is kind of gonna be fun. I like revisiting my old looks and seeing how much I've grown. I am a little nervous, but a fun fact about this palette and about this video is when I first created this look, you guys, I wasn't even using concealer as an eyeshadow base. Like, I did it for this look, I did it on one eye, and I was just like, I think it's better without concealer. Like, I was not priming my eyes whatsoever. Little did I know. But that's definitely what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna prime my eyelids so we can get into this. When I first did this look, that was actually the first time I've ever used concealer as a, like, it's so many memories, man. So many memories. All right, let's just go ahead and get into this look. I used Eyelid Spice first, and then I did Rich Soil in the inner corner. But we just gonna mix them right now. So we just gonna mix those. Next up, I'm going to take the shade Midnight. We just gotta hope that didn't happen. Next up, I'm gonna take the shade called Midnight Stroll. I think when I did this the first time, I think I applied it way too far in. And like the other shades, just was like, they were like hidden. So it's like, I knew I wanted depth, but it was like, I didn't want a black eye, you know? Next up, I did Waterfall, which is that blue shade. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna use my glitter primer to kind of cut the crease. Then I'm gonna take the shade Caribbean, which is the shimmer, taking the brush that I use for Waterfall and blending that, not adding any of the product, just taking whatever is on the brush. Then I'm taking the shade Golden Sands. So there we have the eye look so far. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is go off camera, do this eye, do my base, and then of course I'll show you guys what I'm doing to my lower lash line, and then we can come back and wrap up my thoughts.
"20 minutes later."
I am slaying this look today. Do y'all see this? Yes, I found the kimono that I had in that video, and before you guys even say anything, I can definitely see growth in my makeup journey. I can see so much growth. Hopefully I can find a picture and I'll post it right here of what it looked like when I took pictures, not just the video, but when I took pictures of that first look into now. Like, I see growth in my makeup journey, and it makes me happy. It really makes me happy. Hopefully I showed you guys what I did for my lower lash line. So what I did was I just took Midnight Stroll on the outer V, connected it with the outer V at the top, and then I just did Waterfall all the way to the end, and then of course I added the rest of Golden Sands to my inner corner. Overall, very simple look, but just to see the difference of how like I change and how I apply, and the fact that I didn't used to use eyeshadow primer back then, and I didn't like it. But I am very, very happy with this overall look. I'm glad that it turned out this way. Thank you once again to Makeup by Tammi for creating such a beautiful palette. I'm not gonna like recreate my whole excitement, because like that was literally the first time I was holding the palette, but 2 years later, here we are again. And the reason why I'm still keeping it in this box is because if you guys know how this Makeup by Tammi palette looks, then you know that there's a huge reflective rose gold covering on the actual palette. So I'd rather just have the box and not blind you guys that much. So yes. Oh my gosh. I did it. I did it, y'all. I think I did it.
Second of all, you know I'm vacillating here trying to...
So that wraps it up for day 3 of Makeup by Tammi week part 2. I hope you guys are, I don't know why I keep saying it like that, but I hope you guys are really enjoying this week. And like I said, if you guys have any suggestions of what else you want to see for the next 2 days, please go ahead and comment those down below. And also, if you guys want to comment how you guys want me to handle the giveaway for this week, please go ahead and comment that down below. If you don't know why I'm asking about rules for the giveaway, please go ahead and check out day 1 and also check out day 2 just for the heck of it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Once again, I'm your girl J Ross. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Please come back for the rest of Makeup by Tammi week part 2. And if you haven't, please go ahead and check out Makeup by Tammi week part 1. I will make sure to leave the playlist up above or at the end of the video, or links down below and all of that. And I will make sure to link down below days 1 and 2 for you guys. So I really hope you are enjoying this week, and I hope to see you guys in tomorrow's video, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Stay safe, happy, healthy, and blessed. Peace.